Hi everyone, welcome back to another short tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable passive interface on EIGRP on a specific interface to not allow loopback addresses to be advertised on all over routing table. Passive interface basically it's a security and optimization feature which prevents unnecessary traffic of EIGRP. So let's start. First thing first, we will assign the IP addressing on our all routers. So now we will start from R1. As you can see, the IP addressing is already done, and here you will see the messages that the neighbor relationship between R2 is established. So let's understand where we have to apply the passive interface. So if we apply the passive interface on Ethernet 1/0, so all traffic going from R1 towards other routers will be blocked for the this specific address, which is our loopback address. So let's start how to enable it. So first we will type router EIGRP123, then passive interface default, hit enter. And soon you will type this command and enter. You will get two messages that your neighbor relationship between R2 and R3 goes down. After this command, the neighbor relationship will come up again. So what it's next? No passive interface Ethernet 1/0. So we are selecting this interface. Now, as you can see, the neighbor relationship between R2 is established. Now, if I show you again the show IP route, so here you can see that before applying the passive interface in our routing table, R3 loopback was there, but now it's not available. Similarly, if we go back and here R3 is missing. So this way you can enable the passive interface. See you in the next video.